Hello children, I am back with a new video. So welcome to the Spark Physics by Ashish Sharma sir. The second application we will be dealing with in this, that is the application of potentiometer. The second application which is discussed here in this video will be to find the internal resistance of the primary cell. All these parameters, all these questions, same construction, same the reasoning questions which we have discussed in the previous two videos. Please watch those videos to know the conceptual questions, right? So without dealing with this again in this video, please see that we need to find out the internal resistance of the primary cell, जिसका हमको internal resistance निकालना है, that is this cell of EMF E connected here with the terminal A, that is positive terminal of the driving cell. One resistance box is connected to point A and then these two are connected to the galvanometer along with the jockey. When K1 is closed, now you see here, when K1 is closed, that means circuit is on now. Current will start flowing, right? A constant current will flow through the potentiometer wire. This is again the principle of potentiometer, that the constant current should be flowing through it. With K2 kept open, we will not be introducing resistance box or resistance in the circuit first. Only the current will start flowing through the cell and we will find that galvanometer shows the deflection, either left side or right side. So we will start sliding this jockey over the wires and somewhere the point will come, the length will be there such that the galvanometer will show no deflection. कोई deflection नहीं आएगा वहाँ पर. तो if L1 is that balancing length and K is the potential gradient, what we can write? That E equal to K L1. This is equation number 1. Okay. Now you introduce. Now K2 closed. Introduce the resistance from resistance box. हम कोई की 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm resistance वहाँ से introduce करेंगे from the resistance box. Then the terminal potential V of cell. जब हमने रेजिस्टेंस बॉक्स से रेजिस्टेंस इंट्रोड्यूस कर दिया तो डिफ्लेक्शन फिर से लेफ्ट राइट में होते रहेगा, कहीं ना कहीं मिलेगा आपको. अगेन यू स्लाइड द वायर जॉकी ऑन द वायर, you will find at some place the galvanometer will show no deflection, that means no current flowing through the wire. Then we can write V equal to K L2, right? Suppose that length is L2, so 1 divided by 2, 1 divided by 2, we will get E upon V equal to L1 upon L2. This is your third equation. If I is the current and R is the internal resistance of the cell, so we can write E is equal to I R plus R from Ohm's law, okay, and V is equal to IR. So therefore what we can get from here, E upon V is equal to R plus R upon capital R. This is another equation, that is equation number 4. So from 3 and 4 you can see left side equal, so we will get R plus R upon R equal to L1 upon L2, right? Okay, from here we need to find out small r. कैसे निकलेगा? This will be 1 plus R by R, 1 plus R upon R equal to L1 upon L2. So R upon R equal to L1 upon L2 minus 1. So R is equal to L1 minus L2 upon L2 after taking the LCM, and this is R. This is the expression for internal resistance of the primary cell. This finishes with this topic. I hope you understood it, understand the concept clearly by watching video again and again. Don't forget to share and like the video. Okay, so we will continue with the next topic in the next video. Thank you everyone.